Welcome to the channel, Tool Enthusiasts. If you're a woodworker, contractor, or DIY hobbyist, you already know how crucial a miter saw is for achieving precise cuts. Today we're diving into the best DeWalt miter saws that are revolutionizing the market. Whether you're framing, crafting furniture, or tackling crown molding, these saws deliver unmatched power, durability, and precision. But wait, there's more. In this video, we'll not only introduce you to 5 incredible DeWalt miter saws, but also give you detailed insights into their standout features. We'll cover everything from their cutting capacity and bevel capabilities to their ease of use. And the best part? We've done all the research for you. Check the description box and the first pinned comment for links to each product and grab your favorite at the best price. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where we'll reveal our top pick and share tips to help you get the best performance from your miter saw. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our in-depth reviews. Now let's cut right to it. DeWalt 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The DeWalt 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw is a professional's dream. This saw combines precision with convenience, featuring a dual bevel design that lets you make angled cuts without flipping your workpiece. The sliding rails expand your cutting capacity, making it perfect for whiteboards, baseboards, and intricate trims. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, this saw powers through the toughest hardwoods effortlessly. The stainless steel miter detent plate offers 14 positive stops for consistent accuracy, ensuring every cut is perfect. With a user-friendly ergonomic handle and a dust collection system that keeps your workspace clean, this saw is a complete package for professionals and hobbyists alike. Want to elevate your woodworking game? Check the description for the product link. DeWalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw, 12-inch. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, the DeWalt 12-inch Sliding Compound Miter Saw is a fantastic choice for those on the move. It features a 15-amp motor that handles a wide range of materials with ease, from softwoods to dense hardwoods. The saw's XPS cross-cut positioning system projects a shadow line for accurate cuts, eliminating the need for manual alignment. Its sliding rails make it perfect for larger projects, and its compact design ensures easy storage and transportation. Whether you're a contractor or a dyer, this saw's versatility and reliability make it a top contender. Grab yours now using the link in the description. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw 15-amp single bevel. The DeWalt 12-inch single bevel miter saw is ideal for those who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. This saw features a 15-amp motor that delivers precise cuts for framing, molding, and general woodwork. The single bevel design makes it straightforward and easy to use, especially for beginners. Built for durability, this saw boasts high-quality construction and an ergonomic grip for comfort during extended use. Whether you're cutting crown molding or framing a house, this saw is up for the challenge. Don't miss out, click the link in the description box. DeWalt 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw. Compact yet robust, the DeWalt 10-inch compound miter saw is the perfect choice for smaller workshops or on-the-go projects. Despite its smaller blade, it doesn't compromise on performance. The 15-amp motor ensures smooth cuts through various materials, while the adjustable miter detent plate maintains precision for years to come. This saw is perfect for trim work, small framing projects, and DIY furniture building. If you're looking for a high-quality, space-saving solution, this saw is for you. Find the best deals using the link in the description. DeWalt FlexVolt 120V Max 12-inch miter saw. The DeWalt FlexVolt 120V Max miter saw is a powerhouse of innovation. Featuring dual power options, corded and cordless, this saw provides unmatched flexibility for any job site. Its brushless motor offers exceptional durability, while the FlexVolt battery system ensures long-lasting runtime. Perfect for both large-scale projects and precision work, this saw delivers outstanding performance with every cut. From its smooth sliding mechanism to its dust collection efficiency, the FlexVolt saw sets a new benchmark in the industry. Ready to experience the future of woodworking? Check the description box for product links. And that's a wrap on the best DeWalt miter saws. Each saw we reviewed today offers unique features tailored to different needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast. From the FlexVolt's cordless convenience to the precision of the double bevel sliding saw, there's something for everyone in DeWalt's lineup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow woodworkers. Also check the description box and the pinned comment for exclusive product links and deals. Let us know in the comments which saw you're eyeing or already using. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy woodworking.